all beautiful ladies out there who don't want that sparkling, beautiful smiles which bring positive vibes across. This is Dr. Malika, General Dentist, Ahliya Hospital, Hamdan. Today I'm going to give you 10 very important tips to keep your oral hygiene best and to keep your sparkling smile intact. It's about your everyday oral hygiene practices. There are 4 different steps to be followed. The first step is brushing, then flossing, then tongue cleaning, and then mouth rinsing. These are the 4 steps which have to be followed according to American Dental Association. Please follow 2 into 2 principle. 2 minutes of brushing twice a day, and anything more than that it causes a lot of damage to the enamel on the teeth. We get to see a lot of patients with loss of enamel because of the cervical aberration, which leads to pulpitis and severe pain. This is all because of faulty brushing technique. Please be very gentle when you brush. The horizontal brushing that most of them do causes a lot of damage to the teeth enamel. Be gentle, give vertical strokes. See to it that the brush is held 45 degrees to the gum line, and then be gentle in giving the strokes, either vertical, to and fro, slight to and fro movements, or circular movements have to be given so that the enamel wear can be prevented. At most, plaque buildup happens inside the teeth on the lingual surfaces of anterior teeth. See to it that the brush is placed vertically, and then gentle vertical strokes have to be given so that the plaque which is built inside would just come off. Please restrict the intake of refined carbohydrates, sugars, and very high like chocolates and all, which are very sticky on the tooth because they cause maximum damage to the tooth. See to it that you take food which is rich in high fibers. Same like there's a saying which goes, an apple a day keeps doctor away, it keeps the dentist away too. Please take rich fiber diet. The different kinds of stains like internal and external stains. Internal stains, it's a different procedure, but for external stains, they can be treated very easily in the dental office. There are few foods which are to be avoided, such as coffee, tea, and tobacco products, which cause maximum stains on the teeth. So the intake of these foods and the habits have to be reduced. The bad breath, the halitosis problem, which most of the patients suffer from. This gives them a lot of social stigma. They cannot speak to their colleagues properly. They cannot mingle with their family. I'm going to give you a few ways to prevent bad breath. First way is concentrating on tongue cleaning, because most of the bad odor causing bacteria, they reside on the tongue. So tongue cleaning twice a day is compulsory. And next would be reducing intake of odor causing foods such as onions, garlic, etc. And the next would be taking loads and loads of water. This reduces some of the bad odor. And the next one would be because of some internal issues, like few examples would be diabetic ketoacidosis or gastritis and all, sometimes give bad odor. So if you have any of these problems, please check with your doctor. And my next advice would be, please carry a mint spray with you, so it can be used whenever needed. It refreshes the breath. Using a sugarless chewing gum 20 minutes after food has very good benefits. It increases the flow of saliva in the oral cavity, thus prevents the caries occurrence, and then balances the pH in the oral cavity. So using a sugar-free gum certainly helps. For ladies who are planning for pregnancy, I suggest all of you to get a prior checkup before planning, because any small issue during pregnancy, any small dental issue during pregnancy will get aggravated. So to prevent unnecessary worries during pregnancy, it's always better to get a checkup prior to pregnancy, and prenatal and postnatal checkups are also needed for a good oral hygiene. Please, of course, seek professional help. We are always there for you. Dental checkup and consultation every 6 months. It is recommended by American Dental Association, and getting professional cleaning and scaling polishing procedures every 6 months would be very helpful. To all the beautiful ladies out there, a very happy International Women's Day. I wish you all a very beautiful smile, and please keep your sparkling smile intact. Thank you.